AKEROCK cute Halloween decorations for indoors. Add some spooky charm to your space with these adorable wooden ghost signs. This set includes 4 unique ghost decorations, perfect for your table, office desk, tiered tray, or fireplace mantle. Package includes 4 cute Halloween ghost decorations in assorted designs. Freestanding design. Each piece features a flat bottom for easy, stable placement. Size. Each decoration measures approximately 4 to 5 inches, with slight variations. Material. Crafted from high-quality wood, ensuring durability and a charming look. Ideal for. These decorations are perfect for enhancing your tabletop, tiered tray, kitchen, coffee bar, office desk, wall shelf, windowsill, TV stand, fireplace mantle, and overall home decor.